There is a celestial body that has more gravitational force than our Earth in middle of Milky Way galaxy. What is that? Black holes. Did you think how? Because the space-time bends more. Because black hole is heavier than our Earth. What is space-time? Take a cloth or towel. Place heavy on their borders. Place a heavy object and it will bend the cloth. Now imagine that the cloth you have used is space-time and that heavy object is a celestial body. Wait, how do astrophysicists know that black hole is heavy? Wait, who are astrophysicists? An astrophysicist study the physics of space, gravity, black holes, and black holes have more gravitational force that can even catch light and never release it. That's how astrophysicists know. No one knows what's inside the black hole. Then what do you think? Comment below and thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.